Hello everyone, welcome to Team AAS channel, and in this short video I'll show you how you can increase your mobile performance while playing games, or you can set your mobile at high performance mode while playing games. And as you're watching, I have Samsung Galaxy A21s in my hands. So let's start our video. So first of all, go to game launcher and open game launcher, and when you click here on three bars, after that go to game performance. So in game performance option you have many options, like you are watching power saving option and a shortcut, floating shots and screen resolution option, but in this video we are going to discuss about game performance option. So here, as you are watching, we have three options of focus on performance, balance performance, or focus on power saving. And I recommend you to set this on focus on performance mode because in games FPS matter. So to take full FPS and full output of your device, just set it on high performance mode. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to TeamWS channel for more videos like this. And thank you for watching.